Hey guys, welcome to Ruby VR, and I'm here with Felix, and today we're playing
Hello there.
Scary Baboon. It's like, I don't even know what it is, but I literally just came on. And yeah, it's like backrooms kind of.
Come on, Vips.
Let's go. Oh, look at that.
Oh my god.
I'm closing it. Bye bye. Did you see that? What the frick that? Did you see that? What
Yeah.
on earth? Look, it's a little blind baby gorilla or something.
Oh god, I just dropped my controller.
That's cute. Hello.
Oh god.
Felix,
Oh, no.
stop opening it. We need to be ready. Oh. Oh.
I almost just died.
Oh, wait. Oh, he was there. He was there.
This is scary.
Oh, forest. Go find the locks around the map to unlock forever. Forest caves.
I've already unlocked. There was. Oh no. I already unlocked. There was. Oh god.
What the hell?
Really? Where the hell did you go?
Hiding. I think we can. No. I just got my toe. Right, Felix, we need to make a plan.
We run out and we close the door on ourselves so that we can't go back in.
Felix, what are you doing? Get off me.
Fine. I'm gonna go. So Phoebe, both of them can climb up the shelves, but they can't go onto this blue pipe.
Okay, I'm on the shelves, Felix.
If you know they can climb onto the shelves.
Wait, what?
Your safest option is on this blue pipe.
How do you get up there?
You either wall run or you just go on those shelves. Phoebe, don't you dare. Swear to God.
Right, tell me how you get up, because I'm scared. The jump scare's not scary, but like, they're so fast.
Oh God. Hello, mister, do you have any free candy? Whee! Oh God, I almost just broke my controller. Okay, so what are we doing here? Hey, where are you?
I'm scared.
Fine, let's supposed to come out. You do realize your name is Baboon112?
I
Yeah, why
know.
don't you change it? Change to Ruby VR.
Oh. He was there. No, he was there, Felix. What are you doing?
Oh yeah. Sure.
I just hit my table. Oh no, my table.
Nah, babes.
Buttons. Right, I'm going.
I shut the door.
I'm on the pipe anyway. Oh no, I'm not.
Well, I can't get back in now.
Felix. Felix.
What?
I'm stuck.
Are you stuck?
Yes.
Are you literally?
They're coming.
How do you know that? Oh God! Get on the pipe. Okay, good. You're Mr. Poopy Head. Stop breakdancing and get it over here.
Close it, close it, close it.
Oh my God.
Oh, wait, why was his arm doing? His arm was like this. His arm was just doing like this. Weird.
It was like.
That was fun.
It's okay, let's do it again. Again. Phoebe, I'm gonna close the door last.
Okay, good. Close it. I don't care.
No, but like, oh wait, Phoebe, that was a bad idea. Now we can't get back unless we die.
Felix, why did you? Oh my God, you stupid monkey! You stupid cheater!
No!
Oh.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm scared.
Same.
No.
Okay, I'm up.
I'm gonna hide in your pipe.